Can you say adorable and no hoa? This updated twin home is flowing with character and is ready for new owners. The main level features a living room with sunny windows, a fireplace, a bright laundry room and half bath. The main level walks out to the single stall garage. Down the stairs, you will find a very spacious family/multi-purpose room, potential bedroom, that walks out through patio doors into the backyard.Up the stairs from the front door. The floor plan opens up to a welcoming living room space full of great natural light. The kitchen has an abundance of stylish cabinetry and fixtures. The master bedroom has a balcony overlooking the backyard with a great view to the west. The second bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet. The 3/4 bath is decked out with a tiled, seated shower and pedestal sink.Enjoy the well-kept yard from the 2-tiered deck and the privacy provided by the fragrant lilac bushes.